Refer to question number 9 in the set. How will you convert this? This is actually not, there's a small mistake in the question. It is actually not pentanol. This is actually not pentanol. This is a butanol. This is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a butanol. So, 1 butanol, how will you convert 1 butanol to 2 pentanol? How will you convert 1 butanol to 2 pentanol? Two things are aimed at to achieve. One is a 4 carbon system becomes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have only 4 carbon atoms. That is one. That is one point. The second point is a primary alcohol becomes a secondary alcohol. This is a terminal alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol attached to a secondary carbon atom. Therefore, how are these things being achieved? The process is very simple. This can be oxidized, as we have seen earlier, by means of a selective oxidation to the aldehyde. When this alcohol is strongly oxidized, this will turn out to be COOH, an acid. But we do not want that stage to be reached. We want only the alcohol to be oxidized to the aldehyde. Therefore, this will become a butanal by means of this. I'm sorry, not CH2O, it is CHO. This becomes a butanal. When butanal is treated with, normally, the rule for the Grignard reaction is, any Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde, it will lead to a primary alcohol. With any other aldehyde, it will lead to a secondary alcohol. 4 carbon atoms are already available here. We need one more carbon atom through a Grignard reagent. Therefore, reacted with methyl magnesium iodide and work it up. This will give this product, namely CH3, CH, OH, CH3. This is actually a two-step reaction in which a primary alcohol is first converted to an aldehyde by means of a selective oxidation by means of pyridinium chlorochromate, and once the aldehyde is obtained, that aldehyde reacts with methyl magnesium iodide, which on further acid hydrolysis will give rise to a secondary alcohol. Supposing instead of an aldehyde, a ketone is used, it will lead to a tertiary alcohol. And these are all the various methods by means of which alcohols are produced, primary by means of formaldehyde, secondary by means of any other aldehyde, and ketones will give rise to tertiary alcohols. So only 2 steps are involved in this: conversion to the aldehyde, conversion to the secondary alcohol through a Grignard route.